Hello, this is Michael, the God of Kitchens, and as a quick weekend update and before we head on to the bread recipe, I need to show you how to make your own bread spice. This is one very important ingredient in our recipe for our sourdough bread. This is how it's gonna look like. It's very typical for German and Austrian recipes to have this. It's super easy to make, so I'm gonna show it to you. First of all, we need to have a little grinder. I have this little coffee grinder, my original East German one that's 40 years old, still works. So what we need is 4 ingredients. We need, first of all, coriander seeds, look like these little bubbles. Then we need fennel seeds, right here. And we need caraway seed. And we need star anise, which is these guys. Let's see. When you look at them, look like little stars. The amount is as following. You can vary this very easily. Basically, what I do is I take 2 star anise, roughly 1 tablespoon. I take 2 tablespoons caraway seeds, 1, 2. I take 1.5 tablespoons fennel seeds because that's very intense, and I take a couple of probably half of a tablespoon of the coriander seeds. And that's it already. So just grind this out very fine. Make sure it's nice and even. All right, it's gonna look like this. Smells really good and really intense. I like to keep this in my stainless steel jar to keep it loose or whatever I need. So I'm gonna put the recipe down in the infos, and we're gonna need this for our recipe. So very excited. Be sure to subscribe and also see all the other few steps to start with our bread. Thank you very much.